Nice.
Right. Yeah, man. Tifta. Right. Greetings, family and friends. I'm first and foremost. The letter welcome. Welcome, thank you so much for coming. Nothing till day one. A Cup Clash National. It's a Cup Clash. Harare Cup Clash 2026 registrations. And I'm with my brothers, Elder Everton Bini and Elder Templeman Godfather. Godfather, you want to say something? I'll do a proper intro. Yeah, man, greetings with the glorious name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Welcome to the first edition for 2026 Harare Cup Clash. Well, for every year, it's bigger, bigger, and bigger. Well, this year is different because we've got new talent on board. Etatron Commander Ibini.
Every year it's getting bigger and better, and this year it's looking at new changes, and my changes are I cannot get to you. This is direct change. Tekasumudzirwa namusaka ino ingo tinosumudzira vamwe pakaita sana geographics mayouths ari kuese tine matija akaita sana tj ganzi vanenge varipo vana banso digital one tine svikiro ijeka sound ana simplex sound vese vanenge varipo ndowapana vachiremetsisa pamberi but formality chaichayo ichaitwa nafantana achikurakidzai vanenge vari pamberi pechinhu gore rino isvinge tiri kumashure asi hazvirevo tichezipo tichiona tichagadzirisa upaunenge wakanganisa saka this year 2026 it's something different because munokuziva moto yechipasi uplifting the youth saka yakazodistinga several talented individuals need guidance ndo basa rachipas promotions resting haisiye hondo yekuzorovana nekuda seayo asi entertainment chete asi tinapana vachitenge tichisumudzira this year 2026 Fanta, back to you.
Yeah, man, big up to Chipas Promotions, Uzana. Chipas Promotions, do you know, organizer my biggest shows? I get to see Cup Clash, Nana Utete, Atete, I don't know the names. But Chipas Promotions doing always behind these big shows. All right, this year we're doing a more like a handover, takeover. Kugarapa Clash. Everton, Templeman and Fanta testing it in Makompe, but this year is different. Tine Makompe yedu manyowani. Criteria yataka shandisa kuti tiva choose kuti vave ndivo vachava ma-host at this year Cup Clash. Yakamira Sendara, can you tell the people there?
Yes, so this is the fourth year Chipas Promotions each hoster City Sports Center Cup Clash. So for each and every year, Taitorama winners edu a sound tomanyora paside. Tutorama winners again tomanyora paside. So this year we believe we've got enough sounds and enough MCs and DJs. Wanakonisa kuti batsira co-hoster and they takaba pick up because they've won previous editions. A City Sports Center Cup Clash.
Thank you, good father. Amara, let me introduce you to the first MC with the she's a female. Our female MC of this year, Anonzi Jonda Kazi. I'm sorry, Jonda Kazi, she will tell her 1 second.
Aiwa ndinenzva kufara byangu nekuya muno mucentra muharare mukuzesanyaura ngoma ndeda kupromisa yawe kuti ngoma dzichasanyawa pano ende pachaimbiwa ende zvipo zvichasimudziwa chako kungonangara chete moyo wako usitowatowosika ndaunochani nekuti makorekore apimbira kana aiwa rega une dzichibanza uriwo.
Thank you so much. And as usual, Vanchicha Ningari Kwachibatsira Nanjuna Kazi, Gatimumpe Moko Skano Edo. Third year, Sisanda Nemano, those later Chipas Promotions, we uplift, we discover talent each and every year. I am at DJs, Nema MCs, at Chiquinfix this year. Ladies and gentlemen, Gatumbe Remoko announces Shekiro sound. DJ Ogon Kumpano. Kuinjema. Hasoge. Gatondera moko shikira. Yeah. Ndiye mumwachali ari MC wedu. Kutano wanu wetichete moyo tu.
Aina mbote kano waro.
Let's welcome our brother KT. KT, one of the baddest MCs in Zimbabwe. Morocco.
Yeah, you don't know. I want to go to Bashabaka fire. Trust me, believe it, get this time. Is very. Oh, DJ man next level. Come here. Yeah, man, this is the true simplest music sound wise here. Thank you, Chippers, Jet Rodix, Etherton Beanie, Timberman, Fantan, and the whole crew. You there?
Nice, brother. Thank you so much. And our last host, announcing the hijacker sound, one from number 2, in the MC Watcher. Where's the DJ? Amanga Tombiri Mogoma DJ Zero.
Yes, remember to have the hijacker sound. My name is MC Utrostar. This is DJ Lensolat. I remember Cheapest Promotions. Odzana, live in all living colors. Trust me, hijacker sound to the maximum. Let go.
Thank you so much. Amara Cheapest Promotions tina DJ Banso. Is ndio host wenu every year. Kana mchiona mwana mchimona. Gatumombere Mogo, please. Guns, come here. Yeah, faster. Right, Amara Kumbere Tombere Mogo DJ with the DJ Guns. Kana Tulipa Club, dear resident DJ.
Father, don't organize that. That's what I tell you.
We are good one. Ladies and gentlemen, a proper introduction. I was DJ Guns. Dear Angari DJ, what Charlie Black program Zimbabwe. Hands once again, do yourself. Right. Thank you so much, Amara. Let the game is begin. 2026 Cup Clash. Oh yeah.